Hello everyone. This is Deepak Joshi, and today we are going to talk about how to build a VS Code extension. I have built one that is offline comment, and it is being published to marketplace VS Code marketplace. You can go ahead and download this particular version of offline comment. Uh, Let me give you an overview what this particular extension does. So this particular extension enables us to add comments that are not that do not modify the existing files. The reason why I implemented this is I was facing an issue, like whenever I got a piece of code to work on and then create a PR, I write comments to understand a particular function or a class. But whenever I write a comment on the file itself, it hampers my Git versions, Git statuses, and it starts adding up to my Git. And if I somehow missed checking my Git status and I add all the files to the Git and then to the PR, it ruins my commits. So to resolve that particular issue, like adding a comment, but it should not add it to the file directly, and it should be a layer between the file and me in between. So I went ahead and implemented this particular VS Code extension that is offline comment. It enables us to add comments on the file, but does not hampers the file itself. Let me give you an example. Let's create a ts file. Index dot it should be index.ts. Yeah, yes. And let's create a function, uh, some, yeah, this particular one, not yeah, like this, return a plus b. Okay. So let's say if I add comment here, or let me do git init. Let me initialize a repository. Now, if I have added this particular thing, okay, let me add it to the changes, state changes. Now, that's fine. But if I add a comment, let's say return statement, and I do a control S, it will add up to the git status, like saying that you have added a comment. But I do not want this. I want that I should add comment. It is my personal comment that I do not want to share with anyone. If I have to share with anyone, then of course we are going to modify the file. But let's say it is for my understanding, then how we are going to do that is, let's say first revert the changes, discard changes. Yeah, I have this file. Now I want to add a comment. So I have installed that particular extension. I'll right click, add comment, return statement using offline comment. Now it has added, and look, no changes to my get status. No changes. Yeah, that's the beauty of this particular statement. This particular extension, you can add, edit the comment as well. Let's say edited comment. You have edited the comment, or you can remove the comment as well. So, like we are going to develop this particular extension. Let's develop this, and it will be fun. Trust me. As I have enjoyed a lot while developing this particular extension. It took me a while to develop this, but trust me, the most beautiful extension experience that you are going to have right now. Yes. So to develop an extension, I landed on this particular page, your first extension, and then I get to know that we need this particular command. We need to run this particular command to get the starter boilerplate code for extension. And I'm going to develop this particular extension in TypeScript. You can develop themes as well, and a lot of stuff. Let's see what are the options we have here. Yeah, like we have extension, color theme, language support, code snippet, key map, extension pack, language pack, web extension, notebook renderer. Oh, I see. For now, let's develop a new extension in TypeScript. What's the name of your extension? Offline comments. What's the identifier? Ignore. What's the description? And create, read, update your co- your offline comments. That's it. Initialize Git repository. I have already initialized, but yeah, like we can do that. We Let's use webpack for bundling. We are going to use npm, and it will create this offline comment repository for me. We do not need this particular git. We can delete this. Let's wait for a few moment so that it can install all the packages that are there in my package.json. Package.json is like I was asking GPT to give me a joke on a package.json, and it says that package.json is like a profile card of a woman on a dating website. Profile card of a men as well on a dating website. A very bad joke, I know. So basically, this particular package. And with, do you want to open the new folder with Visual Studio Code? Yeah, open that. I think that's fine. We can close the previous one. Yeah, thanks. So yeah, here we are. I was talking about package.json. Okay. So for package.json, package.json is nothing but it contains the name, display name. This is the name that you are going to see on the marketplace. Marketplace is nothing but the offline extension I showed you, offline comments. So this is the thing. Like this is the name that you're going to see on the marketplace offline comment package.json. Okay. Description, version, engine, categories, activation events. Okay. So activation events are like when do you want this to be activated? So for me there are a lot of things, a lot of time when I want this to be activated on start finished. This particular commands tends to like whenever VS Code starts up finished, like finished starting up, then our extension should be good to go. And then there is main and contribution commands and la la la. Then there are scripts that we are going to use. This script is used for publish, pre-publish and all. And then we have compile, we are going to use it a lot, watch, package and la la la. Then we have dev dependencies and dependencies. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do nothing but run this particular compile command, npm run compile, and wait. I just want to see like this is going to be disk folder. So there has to be a disk folder generated. Yeah, it has generated a disk folder. That's fine. CLS. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run without debugging. It is going to open a new VS Code for me with the extension downloaded itself. So here it is. It has opened this particular. I don't know whether you will get these files because I have opened this particular development mode many a time. So I am getting this deepak.cpp. But if not, you can download. Go ahead and write deepak.cpp and you will get this, or any file.cpp. Okay, like my extension is running fine. So if I need to check, like I can do control shift, and what is the command that it says? It says command is hello world. So let's control shift p. I'm writing I clicked hello world. Is there? Yeah, here it is. This is the command hello world. If I write hello world, it says hello world from offline comment. Means my extension is running fine, and we have downloaded the boilerplate code completely and it is working fine. Please confirm till here that you are on the same page with me. Ah, if everything is all right, then let's move ahead and let's close this for now because we are going to use it after a very like we are going to not use it right now. Now, for this commands or contribution part, this is the command that we are going to use offline.comment, and we have this src folder, not node modules. We have this src folder and extension. Oh my gosh. So like you can view the module VS Code contains the VS Code extensibility APIs. Import the module and reference it with the alias VS Code in your code below. So like this is similar to the import of VS Code. This method called when your extension is activated. Activate function is called, or the method is called when the function or when the VS Code extension is activated, and we do not use the activate right now. So we can like do this. Okay, let's understand the flow for now. I'm just clearing up all the things. Okay, so what happened is when I clicked on that hello world here, we were here and I wrote control shift p and then hello world, and it pops up. So what happened was here is this command with this particular title. If I change the title, let's say I change it to Deepak. Okay, and let's do I need to recompile? Let's see control shift p. Yeah, it shows up and hello world Deepak, and it will like hello world from offline comment. That's fine. So what happened is this is the particular command. We have to like register this particular command with the function, like whenever this command hits, we should initiate a function call. So what we are doing here is we are calling vscode.command.register command. Okay, this is the particular command, and we are hitting this particular function. All right, this can be like stored somewhere else and call hello world. Okay, and we can just call hello world function, and this will just throw in hello world Deepak stuff. Like if I restart this and I go here, I should control shift P, hello world. It should work fine. It is working fine. Hello world Deepak. Yeah, that's working fine. Means here what we need, whenever we register a command, what we need to do is write the command first and then the function or the method that we are going to call. Here it is, command and the callback function. Simple. Okay. Okay, we do not need this right now. We can remove. Okay. Yeah. So let's start from package.json. I'll update that. So we need some commands like uh, as we are going to have add command, add comment, update comment, and remove comment. So let's add those command along with their titles. Let me just do. Let me name it as my comment extension dot add comment. Okay. So the title will be add comment. Okay, what I need to do is let's now remove this one so that we do not get confused between the command provided by this and yeah, add comment. Okay, so I do not have, yeah, by the way, I have another extension that is rename it, improve the name of the current file. You can use this. For example, you are not liking the file name of any file, we'll test that out in a while. We need another command that will be uh, my comment extension dot read comment, not read comment. It should be update comment. Yeah, and the title will be update comment. Great. And we need one more command that will be command my extension remove comment. It will be remove comment, and the title will be remove comment. Yeah, we need three commands, and then we need menus as well. What do I mean by menus? So these are called menus. When you right click and you see like rename it, improve the name of the current file, and these are the menus. Like we want that the command should show up whenever we right click as well. So I want to do that as well. So what we will do is we will call menus, and it will be an object that will be editor context. Yeah, like very smart. Let's see what it has done for me. I have Super Maven Pro. Yeah, let's see what it does. It says command. If the command is this, then navigation edit. Win command should be editor. Yeah, you are right. Okay, and group is navigation. Yeah, it's correct. Update command, navigation, editor, focus. That's fine. Yeah. So here what we have done is we have like added the commands in the right. Whenever I right click, I should get the commands right up here. Okay. This is the fine. Like these are the changes that we want for now in our what in our package.json right now. As of now, we'll improve this if we need this, if we need any of the improvement here. But yeah, for now it is fine. Now what we need to do is let's delete this particular thing as well. Now we need to register these commands as well. Okay, so to register these commands we need functions, but for now let's do one thing. What we can do is we can have this context. We can use this context that has been passed to extension context. It is nothing but an extension. Context is a collection of utilities private to an extension. An instance of an extension context is provided as the first parameter. So basically, it is the group of utilities that we are going to use. It has many utilities such as subscription that we are going to use right now, and global state, other things. But we need right now only the subscription one. Yeah, so I'm drinking guava juice. So let's use that particular context. So I'm going to write context dot subscription because it's an object, and we're going to push some things into that, and that will be like this. So we are going to say VSCode dot commands dot register command, and for add command, let's just do this particular thing. Okay. For now we are just printing. We have added a add command. For update command, let's just do an update console.log. It is similar to show information messages, similar to console.log and extensions. Let's do this right now. Okay, let's do npm run compile. Let's delete this, I mean remove this. Yeah, and it's compiling. It's compiling. Yeah, here it is. And just go run without debugging. I think, I don't know whether it will work fine without compiling as well, because sometimes yeah, it shows add comment. If I click add comment, it should show me that message. Okay, come on, show me. No, it didn't work. It did work. It did work. It says add comment. Great, means we are working fine. Remove comment, it should show me a remove comment pop up. And if I say update comment, there is no. Yeah, means we are on the right track. No need to check further. Great. Now what do we need? So what do we need? Okay, if I go to my offline comment, I'm so sorry. If I go to my extension offline comment, you can see these things. Like there is this comment, and above it we have edit comment and remove comment. We call this a, we use a property or the class that is code lens provider. So we need to implement that code lens provider, because that is an interface and we need to update that. So we are going to implement that interface. So we need first, to get that thing done, we need to implement that. And what we can do is, let's say, yeah, or we can have a comment manager for now that will manage the comments. And we have this code lens provider. Okay, code lens. Yeah, or we can improve the name as comment code lens provider dot ts. Okay, so that is like, that is our plan, that we are going to have a comment manager, and then we are going to have a common code lens provider. So what does this common code lens provider will do? It will like add those stuffs on the thing, on above the comment that we have made. Okay, so for this comment manager, like we need to have the comment itself. For now, let's add a comment, like comments is equals to, we are going to have a map. So how do we initialize map? uh yeah, this way. Yeah, we can do this way, or there is this another way of doing this. I'm just recalling. We need string, and then we need the text, and we are going to store its color as well. So it will be string, and text will be string, and we are going to store another thing, that is color, for now. So it will be string as well. So I think that is fine. We can yeah, we can do use this right now. Okay, so this is my comments. Let's implement the code lens class. Okay, so to implement this particular thing, what we need to do is, first we need VSCode. Yeah, we can check that as well. Where is this? Yeah, here it is, module VSCode. Okay, why my laptop is hanging a lot? Yeah, yes, I think now it will work fine. Okay, we have imported it, and we need to import the comments as well, because we are going to use that. Yeah, from comment manager. And now we are going to implement the code lens provider class, common code lens provider class. That's it. Like, this is the boilerplate code I think I got from Google, that on did change code lens. Yeah, I think it is fine. Or do I need to do anything extra? No, I think that's fine. And then we have to, like, declare public read only, that on did change code lens VS code. And we want the events to be re rendered whenever there is a change, because there was this bug that I figured out when I implemented this particular extension. So there was a bug. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about how I implemented this particular thing. So when I implemented this, let's say I made a comment on line number 6, but what if I clicked and enter on line number 4? Then what was happening is that this particular comment was attached to the line number 6 only. So I have to manage. And then to manage this thing, we need to have on did change code lens, because it triggers a it triggers a what event. Okay, yeah. That's it now. And Oh my god. Let's close this class, and we need to have a public refresh function because we are implementing that particular interface, so we need to have all the, yeah, that was fine, like void is and fire, that's it. Now let's implement the remaining or the most important class, that is provide codelines. Is it correct? VS Code document and token. Let's yeah, I think it is correct. Let me just format it. Yeah. Seems good. Seems fine to me. Okay. Or probably we can do an enter here so that, yeah. Okay. So yeah, like now what we need to do is we need to just first initiate an empty array. So what we can do is we can have code lenses, yes, and it will be of type like we have this VS code lenses. Yeah, I was looking for this only VS Code dot code lens class that is in the range in which this lens is. So it is a code lens represents a link command that should be show along with the source text. Link the number of references away to run test, etc. Code lens is unresolved when no command is okay. I got it. So we are going to use this, and we're going to have URI. This is like document dot URI. Now for comments like this particular comments that are there, okay, for comments we are going to iterate over it, so we have to like use comments dot for each. I think it will be fine, and yeah, we can do that, I think. Yes, and it will be like key. Yes, let's do this. Now here what we are going to do is we are going to split it const. First, what we need from it, comment URI string, and we need line string because we have stored those things. So we are going to just do key dot split and like yes, and then we're going to check whether comment dot string URI string and the URI, the current URI that we have right now are equal or not, that we have stored here. So we just need to check like comment URI string is equals to, if that is the case, if that is the case, yes. Did I did something wrong? I think yes. Yeah, this is the right way. Okay. If that is the case, then do nothing but get me the line number that will be stored in that particular map. That is pass int line string, and let's just do 10 here as well. Okay. And we need range as well. So we are going to use uh, VS Code inbuilt range thing, that is new VS Code range line number zero. बिल्कुल सही. And now we are going to use edit command. We are going to show that show this particular edit command. It's used create types as well. It's fine. Like we want to show edit comment, and for each comment we are doing this like above it show edit comment. The command for if anybody clicks on that particular thing, it will be update comment, and the argument will be line number, nothing else. Yeah, this is fine, I think. And we want another thing, that is remove comment, uh, or edit. Yeah, like I think that's fine. We can call this as edit command as well. Yeah, it will be line number, that's fine. That's great. That's great. Now, what we need to do is the array we have created, we need to push this particular thing into it. New VS Code dot code lens. It will be code lens, and it will store the range of it and the edit command that we have created, and similarly remove command that we have created. That's fine. It will do this for all the comments that are present over there, and simply from here we are going to return the code lens. As simple as that. Yeah, I think this is our comment code lens provider class. So what this class does is It basically iterates over all the comments that we have the meat right now, the comments, and let us do one thing. Uh, let us do one thing. Let's open. Yeah, let's go to ChatGPT and let's create a new one for now. I don't know why it is so much lagging. Yes. Can you please create some dummy examples of comments and let's provide it on the basis of this class? Or let's not do this honestly, because we are going to do everything and deattach like detect and resolve all the bugs by ourselves. Okay, so how we are going to do this is we have created a provide code lens class that what it does is it iterates over all the comments, and then like adds up two commands over it. For the first one is edit comment and the second one is remove comment. As simple as that. I think we are all clear about this till here. Now, as we have this particular stuff going on right now, now we need to take care of this comment manager class as well. Now for this comment manager, like we need VS Code, yes, and like we have created that common lens provider, so let's import it as well. And what we need to do is let's have a color.ts as well. What it will have is const color list as array of blue, yeah, like the random number, and then or let's create a random function that will be export const get random color. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine for me, that will work fine with me. So let's import it here as well. Get random color, that's fine. We have created this particular map as well. Now we will need a comment decoration type as well. So it will be like there is this text editor decoration type that we are going to use. So we are going to have comment decoration type. Yeah, we are going to use it, and then we need we need what context global that is going to store the context globally for this particular extension. It will be vscode.extension context. Yes, that's correct. And then we need code lens provider that will be like we have developed right now, which is like showing up the thing edit comment and update comment and delete comment just above the line number that we have created. So it will be like this one, comment lens provider, I think. Yeah, this is the one. Great. Great. Now yeah, if everything till here is fine, now we are going to have a function that will be a initialize function that will initialize this particular comment manager, that will receive the context from the VS Code extension context. Yeah, this one, and then again it will receive the provider as well. That will be comment code lens provider. So provider, comment code lens provider. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That is fine for me right now. Yeah, let's implement this particular function. So I should have implemented it as a class. Like this should be initialized. This can be used as a constructor of the class, and then I can store that here as well. But that's fine. Like let's store the context global as context, and then context lens provider as provider, like provider as context lens provider. That's fine. Now, for comment decoration type, what we are going to do is we are going to use, yes, create text editor decoration type, and the background will be, I don't add background here. I think the suggestions are right, but I'm not going to use it right now because I have some other plan in mind. We are not going to use background color for now. What we are going to use is after, like, yeah. and the margin will be uh 003 rem is very big. I think 1 em is fine. And yeah, like this is fine. And this whole line, I think it should be true because we are going to show it on the whole line. And yeah, and for the subscription of the context, like context.subscription.push, we are going to have whenever on the change active text editor happens, what we are going to do is, yeah, we are going to have this if editor exists. Like there is a change in the editor and the editor exists. So what we need to do is we need to call a function that we are going to create, that is update decoration. Okay, let's implement this. Not right now, but we'll implement this. I think that is fine for now. Oh, I think we need this. Yeah. No, we need something else. We need this. Okay. Yeah. We need update decoration function to be created, but we'll do that right now. Uh, or should we do that right now? Mm, we can do that anytime. Like update a decoration right now or after this. Let's do one thing. Let's create update decoration right now. So for update decoration, what I need to do is I need to have uh, I need that the comment should be shown properly. So let's create this update decoration. It will receive nothing, and it will have like con editor that will be active text editor. And if editor doesn't exist, if editor does not exist, like we should return, we should don't do anything because there is nothing. And let's have the editor document.uri, the complete path. Then decoration options, we have decoration options that will come from VSCode decoration options array. I think we need to initialize it as empty, not an object. The suggestions, I was not satisfied with the suggestions. It is showing throwing an error because it says property range is missing of never type. Okay, so what I can do is I can do this. Yeah. Okay. Now for each comments, again, comment for each comment that I have created globally above there, we have uh, destructuring. I am destructuring the text and the color. Simple. I think I am clear till here. And then I'm having my key. That's fine. Okay, and like let's call a function that will be like first using the same thing, comment URI string and line string. That's it. That will be splitted by this one. Okay, if my comment URI string is equals to this thing, it's the same thing like that we did earlier as well. And we are going to get the line number that will be parse int line string 10. Great. We are going to get the range that will be new VS Code range. These are the inbuilt functions. And then getting the range out of it, we are going to like update the decoration option. Like we are going to push into it, and we will push what? Random colors range. Yes, the range we are going to. And render option, there has to be, yeah, render option is in property. Let's say let's put it after what we are going to push content text that we have, and the color that we have. I think that's fine. That is fine for now. We have to push this. Great. I think that is fine. That is completely fine till now. Yes. Okay. Now, uh, once this particular thing happens, we need to just do set decoration, comment decoration type, decoration options. We are going to just do this and just check like if this is the thing, like refresh and show up the remove and update buttons that we have created using codelines provider. And that's it. Like that is the use case of this particular function. So now update decoration will be called. Okay. Yeah, like for this particular case, whenever there is a change in the active text active text editor, then it should call the update decoration, and like one more context subscription that we need to add, we need to push whenever there's a works like on the text or document, whenever it opens we should check mm, not this right now, and whenever let's call this event as document, I would say. Yeah, that's more fine. Let's get the editor out of it. How do we get the editor? VSCode.window.active text editor. That's fine. If editor exists, and we can't use and here. If editor exists and editor.document is equals to document, means the current document is equals to the document that we have. This is the case. Then what we need to do is, then what we need to do is we need to just call this one. I think yeah, that's fine. Oh, it says what happened? The comparison appears to unintentional because the type text document and text document change event have no overlap. Okay, let's check. Oh, it says on did change text document. I think we did something wrong. It should be on did open. No, on did open text document. Now it will work fine. So we have added this particular case as well. Whenever a new file opens, it should retain all the comments that it has. Now the next thing that we want is whenever there's context dot subscription dot push, like we need to push this thing when VS Code dot workplace VSCode.workplace.on did change text document happens. This is the case when like we add an enter above or below above the comment that we have made. So it will be like add the editor, like get the editor out of it. That is the active text window. And if editor does not exist, or uh, or the event document that we have right now, yeah, is not equal to the editor document, that same opposite case that we have done, like just return. No need to do like here we were checking it is equal, here we are checking if it is not equal, return. Great, that's great. Now get the URI out of it. Just read about this VS Code editor document dot URI. We are going to use this, and when we get this, let's do a for uh, of loop that will be change of event dot content changes. I think that's fine. Yeah, and here we are going to get the affected lines, the lines that has been affected by the enter that we have pressed. Affected lines will be change dot range dot start dot line. It will be, and const line count change will be, because we need to get the change. This is simple DSA question, like we need to get the change lines, and then we have to move that comment that is made by the extension below that much enter lines. Like let's say a user clicks enter two times, then we have to move that particular comment two times below. So we are doing this particular thing here only. So const line count change will be equal to for change dot text, and we have to split it by length -1. That's fine. And then we have to minus what? mm, yeah, like change dot range. Yeah, this is no, I think range is the right. Again, why are you doing this? Change dot range. If I'm clicking on, I don't want any suggestions. Okay, okay, so it says change has only, how is it possible? So on line count change, what I'm doing is change dot text dot split, and then getting the length -1, and then change. I want to do what I want to do. Yeah, I want to do this range dot end, because this is the end line that I want, and then I want to minus the affected lines from it. Or after this only I will get the line count change, that the line change, if it is not equal to 0, line count change. is not equal to 0, then what we need to do is we need to just call the adjust column function that we are going to create right now. Adjust comment line numbers, and we need to just pass in the affected line and line count change and the URI of it, the actual URI. Okay. And if everything seems very fine, just call the update decoration to update. That is great. Now let's call it just comment line number. Let's create this particular one. Let's create const it just comment line number. It's great start. Great start. Like you should start using these type of things because that will help you code faster. Like you can use the free version of Super Maven as well. It is free version is very fine as well, but it is not that much context aware. Like right now, I'm writing comment manager's code, but it is aware of the comment code lens and the extension and the package.json, so it can get me the code from there as well because I'm on paid plan. But like free version is also aware about this file, the current file that you are on, so that's completely useful. Try it once, you will enjoy that. So here we need to have updated comments. Like great, it is suggesting me updated comments should be a map of this particular thing that you have created, and I need to just iterate over the comments that we have right now um to get great. Like comment URI string, I need to extract it, extract from it. That's completely fine. Yeah, yeah, like it should have been better, like extracting the comments, but that's fine. Like it has extracted comment URI string. Okay, line number. I think we do not need text and color for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have my comments here as the key, and then I can restructure it. I do not want this as of now. I do not want this. Maybe in future, if I need this, I'll get it. Okay. So I have got my comment URI string and the line string. That's fine. Let's get the line number as well. Line number will be %, and string. That's very good. I'm checking like my comment URI string and the URI2 dot string are equal. If that is the case, to string. Yeah. If that is the case, if that is the case, I'm just checking like whether my line number is greater than my start line that I have. Yeah. Did I forgot to add style start line? It should be start line. Yeah, not start a line. It should be start line, and this should be line count change, and this is your error. That's fine. Okay, line number is greater than equal to start line. Now what I need to do is I need to attach a new comment key to it because that will be a unique stuff that we need. So let's create a function that is const get comment key based on the URI and the line number. Yeah, it's right. Just return URI to string and line. Ah, that's completely fine. It will be returning me. So I'm just defining a type. If you didn't, it will work fine. Yeah, this is what I want. Now, if my line number is greater than equal to start line, then what I need to do is I need to just get the const new key, that is get comment key URI line number plus line count change. That's it. And I just need to call update comments. That's it. But I do not have update comments function right now. Did I have? Oh, like this is the updated comments map. So I need to set it here. Like that's fine. Yeah. And for the else case, what I need to do is I need to just update comments, set the comment if it is not greater than equal to the start line, and if yeah, this is the case. We just need to retain the original key of it, and if nothing else, like the comment URI string is not equal to not equal to the URI dot string, just do comment updated comment dot set key and comments. That's it. It's fine. And yeah, like returning back from here, just update the comments as updated comments because we have updated the map. So that will work fine, completely fine. Here it is. Yeah. Now we have an error where it is. Oh, it says, yeah, it's fine now. Just give me a second. I'll charge my. Yes. So now we were able to get the like overall functionality of it working, but now we need a uh, edit functionality. So we are going to have handle inline edit. Basically, it will be inline edit function that will be an async function that we need. This one will take line number, line which will be a number, and a URI to edit. Like, and URI will be of course VSCode.uri. So how we are going to do it is first get the editor VSCode.window.active text editor. If it is not there, simply return, get the key out of it, generate a key, get comment key, URI line number, get the current comment that we have on that particular line number, comments.get current. If we do not have any, like we can add this particular check as well. Current comment is equals to comment dot get key uh, dot text. We can do this. We can, yeah. Or if we do not have this, just do an empty check. Okay. Now we need to get the updated comment that will be like show an we will show an input box vscode.window.show input box, edit comment, current comment, and value will be enter new. No need to just pass in the title, I think, but yeah, we can do that as well. Title, value, and prompt will be fine. Now if like we are going to check if the updated comment that we have is not equal to undefined, then what we are going to do is we are going to have if updated comment dot trim means just simple checks that it is not just empty thing. So if this is the case, comment, we are going to delete it. That means the user wants to delete this, so we are going to delete that key. Else if we are going to get the color that is the random color, uh, either from the comments dot get key dot color or from get random color. And because either we are going to upset it as the default color that it has right now, or if it is not there, then we are going to get the random color, and then we are going to set the key as text updated content and then color. That's it. And then once everything if else case is run, what we need to do is we need to update a decoration function. We need to call update decoration function. That's it. That is the case. We have edited the comment. Now we need another function that is add comment. We should have implemented it before that one, that is async. What it will be do, it will uh, be like this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it will be like this. And we just get the editor window that is VS Code. And if it is not there, return bhai sab. Yes, get the position of the cursor right now. Editor dot selective dot active. That's very fine. Get the line number from it. Const line position dot line, I think. Yeah. And then get the URI of the document, editor dot document dot URI. Now const comment text. How we are going to do that? Simply showing up a input box. Await VS Code window dot show input box, title add comment, value will be empty, and the prompt will be, or we can just a prompt here, like show input box and a prompt that will be comment input text. And for if comment text is not equal to or let's say what we can do is we can just have a check that comment text should be there and comment text dot trim should not be equal to empty. That means what we need to do is we need to get the color, that will be get random color, and then const key. The key will be getting from get comment key URI is comma line, and then we're going to just add it up to the comments map that we have and call the update decoration function. That's it. That's the thing that we need to develop right now. We have edited the add comment. That's it. And now, as we have another function, we are going to have another function that will be export const update comments. That will be something like this, and we just need line number. It is not line line number. Let's have this as line number. It will be something like this. Yeah. Now, for get the editor vscode.window.active text editor. If it is not there, return. That's fine. Get the line number. That is line number. If we have line number, or if line number is not equal to undefined, get the line number. Else, uh, get the select because we can update the comment from the selected text as well. Edge case handling, like if a user clicks on right number and then clicks on update, and if there is no comment available, then we should select that particular thing as a line number. That's it. Get the URI, that will be a editor document.uri. Get the key, that will be get comment key URI dot, comma line. If the comments has the particular key, means we have this. Means we already have that particular comment. That means we are going to update that particular thing. We are going to just call handle in it. We are just doing a recursive a reusability check here, and if it is not there, then what we need to do is we need to do is we windows dot cannot found comment. That means we do not have the comment. That's fine. Mm, that's fine. Like we have this particular thing update comment. Great. Now if we do export const remove comment, just last function that we need to develop, that is async. No, I don't think we need async. We just need a line number, and it is not compulsory. Like let's say if it is not there, then how just get the editor out of it. That is this one, and then if the editor is not there, return and get the line. If it is not there, then the selected line number, const URI, that's very fine. Get the key, that is very great. If we have the key, we just need to do is comments dot delete, I think, yeah, and then call the update decoration and then show that comment removed. That's fine. And if we do not have this, what we need to do is VSCode dot window dot show information, I think will be fine, not the message. So we can do information comment not found, comment not found. That's very great. Uh, yeah, adjust comment update decoration. We have, like, I think we have all the functions. Yeah, we just need to set up our extension thing. Like we just need to set up our extension here. So what we need to do is let's first import add comment that we have, and we have update comment, and we have remove comment. No, we do not have. Yeah, remove comment, and we have initialize. We are going to use these functions to handle the cases that we have right now. And we are going to import what code lines as well, comment code lines provider as well. Simple as that. Let's remove this all this stuff and rewrite all the things. Our extension will work fine, I am so sure. Code lines provider, it should be code lens provider equals to new common code lens provider, and we are going to initialize it with the context and the code lens provider we have. And then we are going to do is context dot subscription dot push. No, 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 no. This will be commands that we need to register right now. VS Code dot command dot add comment, update comment, and remove comment. Very fine. Like if I would have to write this particular thing, I should have taken 30 seconds, but it was like very smooth. with this particular extension that we have as from Super Maven. No, no paid promotions. Just joking. It was not a paid promotion. So we need to just do a languages. Yeah, this is the language check. Like we you can refrain code lines on a particular language as well, but I'm not refraining it because comments are independent of the language that we are using. So we are just calling register code lines, and here will pass scheme, and scheme will be like file. It should be file, and language will be anything, like any language is very fine for me, and the updated code lines provider that we have created. So this is the interface that we have implemented, the class that we have implemented from the interface, so it will work fine. I think this is the code that we want right now. Let's compile this and see if it works or not. If it doesn't, then we have to like look why it is not working. If it works, then that's fine. Okay, yeah, let's do run without debugging. It starts up this watch. Yeah, offline comments watch webpack, waiting for pre-launch task, debug anyway. Let's wait. Please wait, run fast, run fast, run fast. Why are you building? Like I have already built it, compiled it. Okay, it's your wish. So it opens this particular thing. Let me click on right. It's loading. It's loading. Just wait for a moment. It's loading. चला जाता हूँ. Yeah. Right click, add comment. Please show me a pop-up because we have added that pop-up or show input box. Please show me an input box. Please show me a. It is loading right here. It is slow for me because my laptop is. Yeah, it showed up. Hi, this is my return statement, guys. Ah, 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 ah. Yeah, it added it up. Hi, this is my return statement, but not beautifully because I think we have this comment manager decoration function that we didn't wrote it properly. For this update decoration function, I think what we need to do is I think I remember. I remember. So what we need to do here is we need to just take care of the render options, because right now what we are doing is we are ending the text. What you can do is you can do a dollar text here. And how can I add up an emoji here? Do we have an option? Chat emoji. Let's do a chat emoji. Yeah, you can add a chat emoji. Like I forgot like how to do, but yeah, like our extension is working. Let's some edit it. No, yeah, it works. If I remove this, it will remove this. Congratulations guys, you have added, like, please feel free to take it as a task and add a emoji here. Similar to the way that I have. I will share the code with you in the description, and please let me know if you have any doubts. Like I know most of the tasks that we wrote here are very VS Code oriented, means the most of the files or the classes that we have implemented are already being there in on the VS Code, and it was me who went ahead and searched on Google and then implemented those. So I know like explanation of some of the part of the code it was not that much clear, but please feel free to use that code and do your googling and chat gpt things to explain that part of the code better. I have the context around those part of the code. Please feel free to share that with me as well, and if you have any question or if you want to upgrade this extension to a new level, please let me know that. And please like share your extension on the marketplace and let me know, like in the comments, that what you have developed and what are the other features that you have added. One of the feature that you can add is have the colors as an input from the user. Like the user should be able to select the color of the comment, or what you can do is you can store the comments in your database, so that whenever the extension closes, the next time the user opens the extension, the comment should be there with those particular file. Like n number of features you can add, but this is the basic that you have like the overall boilerplate that you have got for this particular extension. A very all the best to you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.